Today's the day we're gonna deep clean my kitchen pantry and refrigerator. I'm gonna clean them, declutter them of any food products we don't like that are expired, wipe down all of the counters, so let's get into it. But first we need to clean the kitchen. I have some clean dishes in my dishwasher. I need to put away a lot of dirty dishes in the sink, so let's get to it. Here's a quick little overhaul of everything right now. This is the kitchen island. Aftermath from breakfast. Clean dishes in the dishwasher. I have some dirty dishes I need to work on. Put away some more clean dishes. Then everything else is relatively clean.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
So we are now about to head into the refrigerator. I'm gonna take everything out on the top rack and put the food and everything on the counter, go through everything, see if everything's still in date. So I'm gonna go drawer by drawer to keep the food cold in there and keep it organized. I do have to run to an errand and a meeting here in a little bit, so we're gonna take it step by step in this process. So I'm going to take these drawers, I'm going to put them in the sink too. I'll wash them real quick. And that is step one. So let's look at the food and wash these.
Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and how I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know what I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like
While those are gonna dry, I'll dry them off more. Let's check out the food that was on the top rack. So I had this bin that I kept like some of like the salsas and stuff, so we can do that again. So I'm gonna just have my extra food in there. I know we bought this and we haven't opened it. It says it's good April 18th, but I feel like we're not gonna eat it, and I've had it a long time. I'm gonna just get rid of it because I know I'd rather do the salsa and things like that. So we're gonna do that. Good. I'm gonna just throw this away. And then this normally, I feel like every time I pull out this butter, it always goes bad. We just hardly use it. Good for now, Obi-Wan. And that's good. So let's dry off these. and get everything back in. I'm gonna throw this away though.
You had me at hello. 'Cause where you go is where I
And these
go.
bins you can get from Amazon. They're called stackable bins. I will go ahead and link them for you.
I got you, and you got me too.
Okay, so next we're gonna do the next shelf.
I wanna do what you want to.
We can leave and run away someday, someday.
I've been saving you.
So over here I have another one of those bins that I like to keep like their yogurts and stuff in. Any extra apple juices. I normally just keep a whole box of Capri Suns. That says March 26th next year. This is old. Some leftovers. These should still be good. Those cookie dough pop bins should be good as well. Nope, so all that is good. And then I put the other like bigger things over here. Here are like the bigger juice items, and they all should be good as well. Relatively new. Yeah, so let's go ahead and put them back in. Get my all-purpose cleaner.
We won't be scared.
You will see me fly.
Changing it up, changing it up. I'm gonna change up what I'm doing here. So, I know that is new. We're gonna actually put our meats up here for that. Let me wipe this down real quick. We're gonna change the organization up, see how it works, play with it, see if my big juices and stuff are much better.
You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you.
Definitely a little different, but we're gonna try it out, see kind of what I think. I normally have like my meats underneath, but I've noticed this now has a lot more space for that. I might put this down one more. Let's do that.
You got me too. Got me.
I've been saving.
Okay, let's go into this fruits and get that cleaned out. And then I'm gonna have to go.
Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you.
Yeah, you got me too. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high.
So much better. So we're gonna see if we can combine some of these strawberries. I am not like your mom who like meal preps all the things and has all the fruit like pretty and rinsed every day. My kids eat fruit every single day for all 3 meals, but I'm not rinsing them all out beforehand. So glad I did that. That looks so much better in there, having all the fruits cleaned, no loose grapes turning into raisins. The fridge is looking so much better from here to about the fruits. I still am kind of trying to figure out what I'm doing here. I think it's blowing my mind that my drinks are down here, but they always hit the top. So we're still gonna play with it. When I get back from my appointment, we'll work on the vegetables, cheese, and deli drawer, and the condiments and coffee stuff all over the side. So I gotta get going. I'll be right back. The next day, yesterday I got crazy. Let's keep going though. I have more leftovers though. Let's see what's in my fridge. Okay, so things have been changed up a little bit. I still have Maddie's smoothie, but this is what we're working with right now. Went to the store too, so we're gonna just keep going how we were doing. So we're gonna work now on vegetables. Pull this baby out to get it cleaned.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
So I did some changes. I have to go get Maddie. I will keep working on it. So it is now day 3. I'm still working on my fridge. That's what happens with a busy life and 2 little kids. But today I'm going to do the rest of my fridge and freezer. That will be the end of this video once I finish that and just kind of compile all that together. Then we'll move on to the pantry and then head to the garage for the 3rd video. But let's see, fingers crossed, Friday I can get the most I can done. Let's get into it.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking. If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high on my book.
This is the finished look at my clean refrigerator. Let's get a quick dive into it. The doors, I have all of our condiments right there. So nice. That is done. Top rack, pimento cheese, salsa, feta cheese, a little one of those dessert cups, and those pop-ins. Then look at all this space. We've been eating our leftovers and stuff too. We have some eggs as well. Then this top rack, I have our meats and stuff. So we have sausage, bacon, hot dogs, some pulled burnt ends. We have some cookies we need to make. I'll probably just put these up here. We'll make these cookies. Then we have our juices, yogurts right here, some hard-boiled eggs for Jackson. We have our leftovers, our juices. I have an extra coffee that can't really fit right now. So all of our juices and milk right there. We have our vegetables all clean. The drawer's all clean. No weird stuff in there anymore. Fruit is the biggest like thing. I have blueberries and grapes like loose all in there. So now that is clean. We're eating through that as well. Then our deli drawer is all organized with the kids' snacks on one side and then all the other things there. We cleaned out our butter, so we have our butter and extra Chick-fil-A sauces, some extra kind of condiments and drinks for mommy, and then my coffee station. We have finished the fridge, time to get into the freezer. So quick look at what's going on here. I have kind of some unorganization going on at the top. And at the bottom, it kind of tries to be like breakfast up top and then dinner stuff on the bottom. And then I have all this like yucky stuff going on in the back. So we are going to empty everything out, clean inside the bottom and on the bottom of these little racks as well. And then we will reorganize the food that's in here.
It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million ideas what we could do. Cause I'm not gonna let you slip away, I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love? When you talk or listen close, there's just something about your voice. I think that every word you say to me is like poetry. I just want you for my own. It's really easy to tell that you're the best girl I've ever known.
Okay, and we are done. So the top rack, I have all of our ice packs right here. We also have these like little boo-boo ice packs for when the kids get hurt. I can link them. They have like a little cloth with ears and stuff for their faces. Then we have all of like our breakfast things. I have my single serve stuff there. Then here's all of our sides, fries, vegetables, and our proteins are there. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching my refrigerator and freezer clean with me. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date and watch the next video. Hopefully I'll get to my pantry very soon. Very happy with the progress that I made though today and the past couple days, since this was a joint kind of multi-day experience. Thanks so much. Thumbs up if you were here till the end, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile.